Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the fresh fruit tart. In this video, I'll show you how to make the tart shell from scratch and two options of filling. One is the classic custard filling, the other is the simple mascarpone cheese cream. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Recipe here is enough for 2 7-inch tart. Let's prepare the crust first. Mix eggs with cream and vanilla. Whisk well to combine. Add flour, salt, and icing sugar into a food processor. Pause a few seconds to combine. Add cold butter cubes into the food processor and pause a few seconds to combine. Texture should be like this. Add half of the egg mixture, pause to incorporate. Add rest of egg mixture, then pause to incorporate. Line counter with plastic wrap. Pour dough out from fruit processor. Press crumbly dough gently into a dough without kneading. Divide the dough into 2 portions and press each into a disc. Wrap each disc with plastic and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. We'll prepare the mascarpone cheese cream. Beat whipping cream until stiff, then scoop out. I prefer to use the 0-calorie monk fruit sweetener, but you may use icing sugar instead. Mascarpone cheese. Beat at medium speed briefly, then add vanilla extract and icing sugar. Beat until smooth and well combined. Scoop cheese mixture into whipping cream and gently fold to incorporate. Texture should be like this. Scoop out mascarpone cheese cream, cover and refrigerate for 2 hours. Let's prepare the custard now. Mix whipping cream, milk, salt, and half of sugar in a saucepan. Whisk together cornstarch, custard powder with rest of sugar. Separate eggs. Whisk egg yolks with half of cornstarch mixture. Mix well. Add rest of cornstarch into the eggs to combine until mixture is smooth. Cut butter into half-inch cubes. Heat cream mixture until 80 degrees Celsius. Pour about half cup of cream mixture into egg yolk mixture while continuing to whisk. Whisk well, then at lowest heat, pour the egg yolk mixture into the cream mixture on stove while continuing to whisk to coat until the consistency is like this. Remove from heat, add butter and vanilla. Whisk together and bring back to the stove to coat until it becomes a custard texture like this. Pour custard through a strainer to sieve out any crumbs. Wrap and press plastic directly on the custard to prevent film forming on top of custard. Refrigerate for 2 hours. Remove dough from fridge. Dust counter and rolling pin with flour. Place rolling pin on center of dough, then gently roll from center to bottom to flatten. Turn dough and roll from center to another direction. Repeat procedures until the dough is rolled into a flat circle a bit bigger than the pan. Remember to grease tart pans with oil first. Cut the dough into a circle. Gently lift the dough with a rolling pin and transfer it into the baking pan. Press the dough into place without stretching. Roll the edge of dough to trim away excess dough. Press dough gently in place using the rolling pin. Freeze dough for 30 minutes. Preheat oven to 425 Fahrenheit. Place aluminum foil to cover the entire crust dough. Pour pie weight or beans into the crust. Blind bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Carefully remove foil and beans from crust. Brush with egg wash and prick the bottom with a fork. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Remove crust from oven and let them cool down completely. Remove mascarpone cream from fridge. Prepare cut fruit of your choice. Spread mascarpone cream onto the crust. Scrape to smooth top. Arrange fruit on top. Melt 2 tablespoons of apricot jam with 1 tablespoon hot water, then brush the glaze on top of fruit. Remove the custard from fridge and prepare cut fruits as well. Scoop custard onto the crust and scrape to smooth top. Arrange fruit on top now. Brush glaze on fruit as well. The yummy fresh fruit tart is now ready to serve. Enjoy! Leftover fruit tarts should be covered and kept in fridge for up to 2 days.